Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi all, today we'll be discussing on how to calculate bending moment and shear force for a simply supported beam. Okay, here I'll be taking example of a cantilever beam. Carries a point load of 6 kN and the span of beam is taken as 3 meter. So here I will be finding 6 kN and 3 meter. I will be finding the bending moment as well as the shear force. For example, first I will be finding the shear force. Okay, SF at a free end. Okay, I will be taking 2 ends, that is A and B, 2 points are there. So first we will calculate the shear force. Okay, as it is in downward direction, the force is in downward direction, and the shear force of this beam will be equal to the total load acting. Okay, that is 6 kN. Okay, in this way we will be finding the shear force of a cantilever beam carries a point load. Okay, so simple, it is nothing but whatever the force from A to B or B to A is there. Okay, the sum of these forces will give the shear force diagram. Here we will have only one force, so at this point from B to A, the shear force acting on the section is 6 kN. Okay, whereas the bending moment, here I will be calculating bending moment also. So the bending moment of this beam is, okay, it is the force into perpendicular distance. Okay, so BM, bending moment at point B, is equal to how much? Force into perpendicular distance at this point. Perpendicular distance is how much? Force is 6 kN, perpendicular distance is 0. So you will be getting at bending moment at B, you will be getting 0 moment. Okay, whereas at bending moment at A is equal to how much? 6 into this distance, okay, 3 meter. You will be getting 18 kN meter. Okay, you may take either positive or negative, it depends on the sign convention. Okay, here I will be taking it as positive. If the downward force on right hand side, okay, if we have, okay, we'll be taking it as positive, and the clockwise movement will be taken as the negative. Okay, whereas I'll first I'll write the sign convention. Here you can see if it is on left side, okay, upward force is taken as positive, and if it is on right side, the downward force is taken as positive. That's why here we have taken this one. Okay, and apart from that, okay, if the moment is on left side, if it is in a clockwise direction, okay, or I'll tell you once again. Here I'll draw once again. If it is left hand side, if it is in the clockwise direction, this is taken as positive, and if it is on right hand side, if it is anti-clockwise direction, this will be taken as taken with a negative sign. This is, we call it a sign convention. Okay, here what I will do, okay, here our moment with respect to this point is how much? 6 into force into perpendicular distance. Okay, this will rotate in this manner. Okay, that is clockwise direction. So okay, whereas if it is anti-clockwise, you could have taken plus sign. Here I will be taking the negative sign because of the sign convention. Okay, our moment is in this direction, so this will be negative. Okay, if it is left side anti-clockwise, so this will be taken as negative, and for right side if it is clockwise, it will be taken as positive. Okay, don't be in confusion, just follow these things. So here you need to draw, next you need to draw the bending moment and shear force diagram for a cantilever beam subjected or applied by point load. Here I will draw once again. Meter. So first I will draw the shear force diagram. This is a beam. Shear force we got here, it is 6 kilonewton. So I will be writing 6 kilonewton. Here above the axis it will be taken as positive. Next one, I will be drawing the bending moment diagram. So the nature of bending moment diagram will be in this manner. Here bending moment at point B. Okay, this is A and this is B. At point B it is 0, whereas at point A is 18 kilonewton meter. Okay, so here I will be taking 18 kilonewton meter. So this is with the negative sign, and the shear force is with the positive sign as per our sign convention. Okay, it may change, it depends. Okay, whether you take positive or negative, it is left to you. Okay, but you need to follow one procedure for all the problems which we solve. Okay, so this will be the first part of analysis of beam or finding bending moment and shear force for a cantilever beam subjected to point load. Okay, I think you like the video. If you like the video, press like button. If you not yet subscribe my channel, subscribe and press bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you.